So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Subex share. So we know that today also the stock has performed very well and it has closed near the 64 rupees level with almost 6% positive movement. So we know that 2 days back when we have done the complete analysis of Subex, especially related to all the latest updates related to partnership, and also we know that there is another latest update which I have posted in Telegram itself. So that is related to board meeting. So what are the key factors that we need to focus in this board meeting? So we'll try to analyze. And another interesting thing is that Subex again is going to declare the dividend. So we know that since past quarter results, it is continuously declaring the dividend, which is very good thing for a company which is reporting good profits, and also at the same time giving dividend is also considered as a healthy move. So on that particular note, the stock is also rallying very well. Okay, so we'll do the complete technical analysis also because many people had queries near the 60 rupees region whether they can have a fresh entry or not. So all these things we'll try to analyze. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group because in Telegram group we'll discuss all the latest updates followed by technical charts so that you can take any swing or positional trade. Okay, so first discussing about the update which was released by Subex in the official website itself. So you can also go to the BSE website and download the document. So coming to the most important date that you need to note down is May 17th. So on that particular day, we have the board meeting which will be scheduled via video conferencing. And you can see the two latest things that the company will be discussing in that particular board meeting. So first is related to quarter ended results. So that is March ended quarter results will be declared by Subex, followed by the second most important thing that I was talking about is dividend. Okay, so about that also the company will have discussion. So definitely we know that previous quarter also the company has declared 10% dividend. So I think people are already invested. They might be getting some very good dividend. Already they have got that, but in this particular quarter also it will continue that because company is consistently performing very well, that is on quarter basis. So forget about year on year because since the last quarter only the company has started declaring the dividend. Okay, so on that particular note, so the positiveness continued, and also previously we have discussed about partnerships with various other companies to build the artificial intelligence platform. So all these things we already discussed. So these are the major things. So first one is related to updates. First one is related to quarter results and second one is related to dividend. Okay, so moving further towards the deliveries section, so you can see on May 10th, we have seen 41.7% deliveries, and you can compare it with last two trading sessions. So that time little traded quantity was present, but it was compensated by increase in deliverables. So clearly you can see past two trading sessions, you can see that time only 29% was present, and another day we have seen only 25%. So little increase in deliveries were present because obviously the company is going to declare the quarter result. So on that particular note, many people have accumulated near the 57, 58, 62 rupees in that particular region itself. So we also discussed that those levels will be important. So many people have invested, so well and good. So we are discussing on each and every support so that you'll have the complete clarity, and whenever you want to exit according to your wish, you can trade accordingly. Okay, so my intention is that you need to understand complete technicals. Whenever it approaching any resistance, you should get the idea that whether you want to exit or not, it is completely according to you. Okay, so deliveries are increasing, so that is one positive thing that you need to note down. Okay, so next we are back onto technical charts. You can see this is the 1 week chart. So in 1 week chart, you can see the stock is following a very good uptrend, so that you can clearly observe. So starting from 30-45 rupees level continuously, the stock has given very good uptrend, and in between it has even given the correction. But at that point of time, we have discussed only to add at each and every support. So now after giving a good breakout in the last week, so stock is again trying to approach the 66-67 rupees levels. Okay, so I want to tell you that what is the next immediate resistance. So we can say currently it is near 64.75. You can take 65 level as very important in the coming sessions. So if it crosses that 65 rupees level, again 70 plus can be easily seen in the stock. So I'm not telling that it should touch and come back. I'm telling it should close above 65 rupees level with good decent deliverables. So then we can expect the stock to cross 70 rupees level, and again it will continue its new rally. So focus on that. And coming to support, already I told you 60 is important support followed by 57. So in these particular regions you can try to buy in small quantities according to your capital, and you can hold it. Okay, so this is it basically in 1 week chart. So let's switch over to 1 day chart for having further conclusions. Okay, so in 1 day chart, clearly you can see this was the region when I told it is, when it has given the breakout, I told you clearly it will try to retest. What is retesting? So once going up again, it will try to come to that particular region itself. That is, it tries to test that particular level. Again, from there, it starts bouncing back. So same thing happened in Subex also. So once it has touched that 60 rupees level, you can see how well it has retraced. So currently, as I told, 65 is important region. So focus on that. So once it crosses that 65, then definitely 70 plus can be seen. Okay, so focus on support and resistance. So according to that only you need to trade. So don't buy in heavy quantities. Again, I'm giving you a strict instruction, because if you invest in heavy quantities, because market also is little volatile, so we can't justify anything. So make sure you're trading safely between the levels, and even you can hold it for long term. Okay, so if you go a little bit down and money flow index, you can see that is also very stable, not even in overbought region, and it is near the which region, 63. Okay, so that is also pretty good. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. So Instagram ID is stocks derivati. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.